Distribution function. First, distribution function of discrete random variable. Let x is a discrete random variable defined on a discrete sample space OHM, assuming values x1, x2 up to xn with probabilities p1, p2 up to pn respectively. Then capital F of x is equal to p of capital X less equal small x, that is p of p f of xi is equal to p of x less equal xi, where I running from 1 to n, and which is equal to, this is nothing but summation of pj, j running from 1 to n, 1 to I. Next is the example. If x has the distribution function f of x which is equal to 0 where x less than minus 1, 1 by 4 where minus 1 less equal x less than 1, 1 by 2, 1 less equal x less than 3, 3 by 4, 3 less equal x less than 5, and 1 x less greater equal 5. Then find probability mass function of x. Second is the p of minus 0.4 less than x less than 4. And third is the p of x is equal to 5. We have to find first probability mass function of x. Find probability mass function of x. Since pi which is equal to f of xi minus f of xi minus 1, then the PMF, that is probability mass function of given distribution is, म्हणजे आता प्रोबॅबिलिटी मास फंक्शन फाइंड करायचं आहे आपल्याला, म्हणजे टेबल ड्रॉ करायचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपल्याला ही कंडिशन लागणार आहे. पी ऑफ आय फाइंड करण्यासाठी पी ऑफ एक्स आय मायनस एफ ऑफ एक्स आय मायनस एफ ऑफ एक्स आय मायनस 1. देन ड्रॉ टेबल एक्स एफ ऑफ एक्स पी ऑफ एक्स. एक्स आर आपल्याला लिमिट दिलेलं आहे ते -1, 1, 3 अँड 5. आणि एफ ऑफ एक्स दिलेलं आहे जेव्हा म्हणजे -1साठी काय आहे, -1साठी काही नाही, -1साठी काय आहे 1/4, 1साठी 1/2, 3साठी 3/4 अँड 5साठी 1. तर आपल्याला पी ऑफ एक्स काढायचं आहे. पी ऑफ एक्स काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, एफ ऑफ एक्स आय मायनस एफ ऑफ एक्स आय मायनस 1. पहिले पी ऑफ आय काढायचा आहे, तर पहिले आहे तोच लिहून घ्यायचा आहे एफ ऑफ एक्स. सेकंड काढायचं आहे P2 काढायचं आहे. P2 काढायच्यासाठी मग काय करावं लागेल, P2 इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ x2 मायनस एफ ऑफ एक्स आय मायनस 1. आय काय 2 म्हणजे x2 मायनस 1 1. देन एफ ऑफ x2 काय आहे, एफ ऑफ x2 1/2 मायनस एफ ऑफ x1 1/4. बेस सेम करायचा, 2/4 minus 1/4 which is equal to 1/4. Then P of x2 is 1/4. Similarly for 3 and 5, P of x is 1/4 and 1/4. Then total is equal to, ह्या सगळ्यांची ॲडिशन करायची, ती काय येते 1. हे झालं पहिलं म्हणजे प्रोबॅबिलिटी मास फंक्शन. आता सेकंड काय फाइंड करायचं आपल्याला, P of -0.4 लेस दॅन x लेस दॅन 4 is which is equal to what? So आता P of 0.4, इथे एक्सचं लिमिट काय दिलेलं आहे, -0.4 to 4. म्हणजे इथं पी ऑफ एक्सच्या कोणत्या व्हॅल्यू येतील, फक्त 1 आणि 3. कारण -0.4पेक्षा कमी आणि 5पेक्षा पण कमी, म्हणजे 1 आणि 3. देन P of -0.4 लेस दॅन x लेस दॅन 4 विच इज इक्वल टू P of x इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस P of x इज इक्वल टू 3. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ P of x इज इक्वल टू 1 इज 1/4 प्लस 1/4 विच इज इक्वल टू 2/4 विच इज इक्वल टू 1/2. And third is the p of x is equal to 5, which is equal to p of x is equal to 5 is काय, p of x is equal to 5 काय 1 by 4. p of x is equal to 5 is 1 by 4. Next point is distribution function of continuous random variable. Let x is a continuous random variable with PDF, that is probability distribute function, f of x. The distribution function is denoted by f of x and given by f of x is equal to p of x less equal x, p of capital X less equal small x, where x lies between minus infinity to infinity, which is equal to integration f of t dt, limit from minus infinity to x. Example, find distribution function of a random variable with following PDF. f of x is equal to x into 3x square plus 4, where x lies between 0 to 2 and which is equal to 0 otherwise. So solution, to find the distribution function, first we have to find the value of k. मग आता k ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे. मग फंक्शन दिलेलं आहे f of x is equal to k into 3x square plus 4, which is greater equal 0 for 0 less equal x less equal 2, which is also implies k greater than 0. So we know that integration of f of x dx, limit from minus x to x, which is equal to 1. तर आपल्याला f of x दिलेला आहे. इंटिग्रेशन f of x काय, k 3x square plus 4 dx and limit काय 0 to 2, which is equal to 1. So first we have to find this integration. Therefore take k common and integration of 3x square is 3x cube upon 3 plus integration of 4 is 4x, limit 0 to 2, which is equal to 1. k 3 get cancel, x cube plus 4x bracket square limit 0 to 2, which is equal to 1. k take upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 2 cube plus 4 into 2 minus 0 cube plus 4 into 0, which is equal to 1. k 2 cube is 8 plus 4 to the 8, this is 0, which is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1 by 16. Therefore f of x is equal to k ची व्हॅल्यू काय 1 by 16 into 3x square plus 4, where 0 less equal x less equal 2. Then the distribution of function x is the distribution function of x is capital F of x is equal to minus infinity to x f of t dt. Therefore which is equal to integration from 0 to x 1 by 16, and here replace x by t, 3t square plus 4 dt, which is equal to, take 1 by 16 common, integration of 3t square is 3 as it is, t cube upon 3 plus 4 integration of 4 is 4t, limit from 0 to x, which is equal to 1 by 16. Take 3 get cancel, and t cube is x cube plus 4x, Then we get f of x is equal to first 0 for limit x less than 0, second 1 by 16 into x cube plus 4x for limit 0 less equal x less equal to, and last is the 1 for limit x greater than 2.